So, John, one of the things, and it's so funny because, you guys insure one of my properties, and I asked you about this. I said, the home insurance inspection.
Right.
Okay. Why are some insurance companies, why do they perform these home inspections?
That's a great question because especially if you just purchased a home or you purchased a property, you probably got a home inspection. And you're thinking, why do I need another inspection, right? And the insurance companies, many of the ones that we work with, and a lot of companies out there will do inspections on properties. It's primarily a safety inspection.
Okay.
That's a big thing because insurance companies are concerned with the risk involved of a property. There's only so much of the risk that you can ascertain from what you can find online in pictures, maybe the town property cards, and what the client has disclosed through the application. There's only so much that you can figure out. So they'll hire a inspection company to go out and perform an inspection after the policy has been issued. But it is primarily a safety inspection. They want to find out, are there areas of the home that could result in potential claims? So they could be property claims or liability claims. So they're going to look at things like the roof. They're going to look at your heating appliance, the electrical system, the plumbing. Are those things potentially going to turn into a claim? Does the roof look like it's going to leak soon and be an insurance claim? On the liability side, are there cracks in the steps up to the home? Is there a handrail leading up to the home if there's several steps? Do things look safe? Is somebody going to trip and fall on this property and file a lawsuit, get dragged into an insurance claim?
So the insurance inspector goes in the property, okay?
Yep.
And, he finds a couple of things. What are the outcomes of that? How does that affect the person getting an insurance?
So if we've done our job right, typically the outcome is really nothing. It means that we covered all the bases up front at the application. We got all the information that we needed, and the inspection just confirmed that. Typically what will happen is the inspector will create a report and send it, and that'll get sent to the client, and they'll have some recommendations. Most of the time, almost 100% of the time, there are some recommendations, and it's minor things like, hey, there are some cracks in the sidewalk, things like that, or hey, these are things to be aware of in the future in the event that they could be claims. Worst case scenario, sometimes they unearth something that the owner didn't know about or the insurance company didn't know about, like, unsafe conditions in the home. That could be a costly repair. Those are the worst case scenarios. But again, it's something that it's in the client's best interest. The insurance companies want to make sure that the homes they're insuring are in relatively good condition, right? They make money by selling policies, not by paying out claims. And if the house is in bad shape, they're gonna, it's more likely that they're gonna be paying claims. So that's the other reason for the inspection. Depending on the severity of the recommendations, more minor recommendations, they'll ask you to complete them within the year. So they'll give you 12 months to complete.
Oh, that's easy.
If you don't do it within 12 months, they'll non-renew your policy.
Okay.
So they won't outright cancel it, but they'll just say, okay, next year, go find a different insurance company.